With the 2604 release, we've added metadata about packaging assemblies to i3D Data Management. This includes the number of designs, and for each design, it lists the design name, number of pins, components, nets, layers, and views. The metadata also includes class user properties such as loss for Calibre 3 D-Stack. This data collection allows users to examine design statistics without opening the design. Let's check it out from the i3D Integrator project. Select the properties and you will see the design statistics. Click the Design Properties button to see more information about the design. Click on the User Design Properties button to see the user properties such as loss for Calibre 3 D-Stack from the ICD Layout project. Also, select the properties in the design item. You can also find the design statistics, such as number of pins, components, nets, layers, and views. This new metadata feature is part of the 2604 release of Innovator3D IC Data Management.